So you have all of the steps that you need to be able to stream on Twitch, but you don't want to just stop at Twitch. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. Now you want to be able to multi-stream across every single thing. And you're probably thinking, LoveKit, they have Restream. Yeah, but you got to pay for that. So I'm going to show you how I do it completely free. You don't have to pay for anything. It's just straight up, you download it, you add it to your OBS, and you're done. So as always, we have OBS Studios. You make sure that you download it. If you don't know how to download it, go ahead and check out this video right here, and it'll teach you step by step on exactly how to download OBS. Next, we're going to go into multiple RTMP output plugins. I will have the link in the description down below, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. Click right here to go to downloads. You scroll down and you make sure you hit OBS multiple RTMs, Windows 64 zip. Make sure that you have closed OBS before you download it. After you have downloaded, you're going to open up OBS. And it should look something a little bit like this. Off to the left, you have all of your triggers. Now, the way that you're going to be setting this up to multi-stream, this is how I have mine set up. For Kick, I have it right here. So I can go into Modify, and you get the URL that it provides for you, and you add the streamer key. And I kept every single thing the same, and I just hit OK. You can also change the name of it. So when we're adding a new one, right here, you can change the name. And put YouTube 2. You download your URL and your stream code, you hit OK, and it pops up right here. Now, what I use this long vertical one for, you can do this for YouTube vertical, which means you can actually use that vertical one just for TikTok if you wanted to. However, TikTok is about to prevent anybody on a FYP page who promotes their cross platforms. So be careful of that. But you can go ahead and do YouTube vertical on this one just by hitting the go or doing the settings and doing all of the exact same thing. Streaming, you have it right here. You can also screen share this part here to go live on TikTok, which has its very own OBS, in case you did not know. After that, you're gonna have to hit start streaming, and then we are going to pull up my Twitch. Hopefully nobody shows up, and we see that is live. We're gonna check out Kick and hit start streaming, go to Kick, and this one should start too. There it goes. And if you wanna do YouTube, you're gonna have to do this a little bit different on YouTube. You're gonna have to go to create, go live, set all this up how you would like it to. Edit. This one here is from my previous one, so I can actually just go on over to my OBS and hit start. And then this one here will go ahead and start. So this is how you multi-stream. And then we just hit stop streaming. So that is how you multi-stream across every single platform. And if this way was able to help you, I am LoveKit. If you've never been here, I hope that this video helped you out in some kind of way. And if it did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video and turn on your post notification, because I post a video every single Sunday that tells you how to do things streaming wise. Guys, if you want to, feel free to follow me on any of my socials, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys. And then this one here will go ahead and start. So this is how you multi-stream. Subscribe